Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can accept follow request on TikTok. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok application. So once you open TikTok application, okay, then you need to click on the inbox icon. And once you are here on the top, you can see new followers. So click on that, and here you can see that this account requested to follow. So here you can see that I have an option to accept or delete. So let's suppose I want to accept this. So you simply need to click on accept, and now you can see that it is added into my followers list. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.